Imagine sitting on your couch, watching TV, and eating popcorn, and suddenly the ground starts shaking. Your windows rattle, your ceiling cracks, and the foundation of your home literally sinks. This isn't an earthquake, it's your neighbor Elon Musk testing a rocket 2 miles away. For the people living next to SpaceX Starbase in Texas, this is the real life. But while houses are cracking, local businesses are making millions. And now, a massive SpaceX stock launch is about to happen. And experts say it could suck the cash right out of the crypto market. To understand why this stock launch is so powerful, we need to look back to 2014. Before it was a multi-trillion-dollar financial giant, SpaceX Starbase in Boca Chica, Texas was a quiet, sleepy beach town near a Mexican border. Then Elon Musk showed up. He bought up land, built a massive spaceport, started testing the biggest rockets in human history. For years, SpaceX operated as a private playground for Musk, funding its wild Mars ambitions through private investments and the booming success of Starlink. Space fans flooded the area. It created 5,000 jobs and brought $100 million in tourism. Local leaders love it because it's saving the economy. Until today. Today, SpaceX officially opened its doors to the Wall Street, valuing the company at a fascinating figure $1.77 trillion, which is the combined GDP of the world's 115 smallest economies. That's huge, right? To put that into perspective, it is the biggest IPO in human history. Demand has been completely off the charts. Investors have already poured over $100 billion in orders. People are so desperate to get a piece of Elon Musk's space empire. Well, I say this is a massive corporate risk. The fact that SpaceX actually lost nearly $5 billion last year alone because it spent so much money building Starship. But investors don't care about the current losses. They care about owning the literal future of space travel, global satellite internet, and space-based AI data centers. Did you ever wonder why this company worth trillions? Well, let me explain. It all comes down to their two main commercial products, which have completely monopolized the space industry. Before knowing the first, you need to understand the second, and that is Starlink. This is a satellite broadband network, and it is the ultimate cash cow of the business. It brings high-speed internet to the most remote places on Earth. Starlink already has over 10 million active users globally and accounts for a massive 60% of SpaceX's total revenue. The importance of these two products is huge. Launching rockets is a cool science project, but Starlink turns that into predictable, high-margin subscription money. The profits from Starlink are what completely fund SpaceX's next monster product, Starship, and this is the number one product I am talking about. The mega rocket designed to mine the moon and colonize Mars. Wait, that's not the main twist. We got bigger fish to fry. Every day, investors only have a finite amount of money to spend. For years, high-risk retail capital flowed directly into digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum because that's where the explosive growth was. But SpaceX changed the game completely. Because they opened up 30% of this record-breaking IPO to everyday traders, they created a direct competitor for that same retail money. Top financial analysts are warning that crypto is acting as the funding currency for this IPO. Investors are literally selling off their crypto tokens to buy a tangible, history-making asset like SpaceX. At the end of the day, SpaceX's rise proves that the fight for investor money has completely shifted. Elon Musk is successfully building a path to the stars using revolutionary tech like Falcon and Starlink. But it might just be funded by a massive exodus out of crypto. What do you think? Is owning a piece of SpaceX a safer, better bet than holding onto Bitcoin? And would you sell your crypto to buy a few shares of SpaceX? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more real business breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.